everyone. Today we are gonna perform a brainstorming. Before we get on with this brainstorming, let me explain what is a brainstorming. A brainstorming is a situation where a group of people meet to generate new ideas and solutions around a specific domain of interest by removing inhibitions. So, after hearing this one, we may get confused with what is the difference between a brainstorming and a group discussion. Let me tell you the difference. A brainstorming is that people can think freely and bring their creativity without any criticism or any second thoughts. Whereas in a group discussion, we should perform everything like professionally. And the second thing in brainstorming is that a brainstorming can be performed individually by a single person itself. And this brainstorming have been performed by many geniuses and scientists like Einstein and even Sherlock Holmes. So in this brainstorming, we are going to discuss about whether humanity exists and in our past and history is still exist in our present. And this humanity, will we see this same humanity in our future? So my perspective in this humanity my perspective in this humanity is that we may feel that after we get involved with the social media and the small device in our hands, we may feel like people do humanity things just to be seen by many people. They held a phone in front of them where, before showing an humanity to a person who is required. But for my thought, I feel like the humanity exists like just we saw like in the past, the humanity exists, but only thing that we can't see humanity everywhere, but exists. If the reason that we all are still existing without any fight and we move our life in peace is because there is somewhere we feel that humanity is alive, and we may carry on with our problem, that we may get a solution.
Well said, Vedarshmi. And I want to add some ideas. What you said, I just want to integrate that. And I want to add, like you said, like humanity nowadays, people are without helping, they start recording with their phones and all. Yeah, that's true. Today, humanity has become more a social strength than becoming a humanity. Like personally helping is the second option. The first option is that you should upload that video on the website or your personal platform to gain the likes. So I think like the place of humanity is being taken by the social media.
See, when the topic comes it as a group discussion or whatever you call it as, it's been discussion. When the topic comes as humanity in a group discussion or a brainstorming like this or conversation, a common topic, there will be certain number of people who will be saying that in the olden days the humanity exists. Nowadays it is being disappearing. Because they are seeing a lot of accidents are there. There are a lot of people meeting with accidents, but some people are busy in taking selfies and pictures and videos, making it viral. They are busy with making the videos in viral. So in that cases, the humanity is disappearing in this generation in the future. There are certain number of people who will be saying that humanity exists now. This humanity it doesn't exist in the past, in the olden days. Because there will be a lot of people who are more concerned with upper and lower class feelings and all. So in such cases, the humanity doesn't exist because two types of people are there. When it comes to a common topic, when it comes to a social topic, social conversation, people will be in two sides. They'll be saying humanity exists only in past, and there will be some saying humanity only existing only now. So when it comes to the future, there are a lot of people struggling. If we are supposed to create awareness among everyone. Social media is a platform where there are a lot of people being benefited by this. But by the very same way, people getting affected also by the social media. In that place, the humanity dies. So this is what I actually wanted to say. Humanity is there. It's humanity is nothing but a being. A good human being is humanity. What we call, that's all. So if everyone try to be a good human being, everyone are trying to be toppers, or they want to be good in their professional life, whatever it is, but most of them fail to be a good human being. In the field of humanity, there is very less competition. If we encourage our future generation to be a good human being, and that will be the most important thing you teach to the upcoming generation. That's what. Thank you.
Feel like we we become we came into a thought that whatever we see we believe, but only if we can see, then only we believe that thing, that it really exists. That's true actually. But in this humanity, in about the past things did the humanity exist in the past, we heard it as a story or something from the literature, but present we only believe only to ourselves or showing humanity to someone there so that we can believe. But turns out everyone doesn't get an opportunity to see or to experience a humanity from other person. But everyone in our life, whether it is past or present or even if it is in the future, everyone experiences a humanity, a strong humanity from a person called our parents or mother and father, who show the most powerful humanity to our people, to raise us in a good manner. So I feel that whether the humanity lives or dies in a society, I feel like not all of them, but most of us experience a humanity from our family, from our own important people called parents, mother and father. So I feel like the humanity still exists in ourselves.
Yeah, I have to include one point. See, humanity is not just showing among the blood relations. It is what your person who you doesn't know, doesn't come to know. You have to show your humanity, right? So I have to ask one question. Can you lose your humanity? Right? Loss of one's humanity occurs when love and respect for fellow humans turn into hate for all groups, right? One can lose one's humanity in various contexts, right? Anyone who harbors for a fellow being on the basis of skin color or ethnic background. So the humanity has some power, the real good power. So it is not showing among a family, a parent to a child. It is not like that. Whenever you go on the road, if you see an accident, if you don't know who he is, you have to call for ambulance or somewhat. You have to first aid. See, it is not for blood relations alone. You have to show even with animals also, right? Yeah.
Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree with what Jyotish has come up with. Yes, the humanity is not only a part. Okay, yes, I agree with what Jyotish has come up with. Humanity is not just thing you show to someone who is related to your blood relationship, all that. It is something your expression, what you express in common. Because you might not be knowing the person in personally, or you may not knowing by the blood thing, because humanity is not something you show by blood relationship. It is something which you're supposed to show when someone you don't know. It is a very common thing. It's what to say, as I said before, it's something it's a self-care, it's a discipline, self-discipline you call. Also self-discipline is also part of being a good human being, right? So humanity as also Priyadarshini said, humanity exists now. Yes, I of course agree with it. As I already said, social media is being a platform where there are a lot of people being benefited with that. There are a lot of people who are getting affected at too. In each and every period, there are humanity is being exist. This is what I say.
Yeah, Darshini and Jyotish, what you said, I really agree with that. Like humanity is not helping for the humans; it's the helping of the animals too. It's also a humanity, and nowadays I think like people are gaining that humanity over the, like they are tagging the humanity, like they are loving the dogs, they care the dogs, they care the kitties what they have, but like for when it's come like so that they are telling that I am so animal lover and all, but when that same thing come with the humans, like other person you don't know, unknown person, unknown place that comes, then people say no, I don't want to be in that because I will be caught in the so much of legal actions and the political actions will be there and so many drama I can't tolerate, so they try to escape from that situation. So I think like people are losing the humanity what they have earlier. People before independence, I want to say like what British are doing, there was like full support and humanity was there, that everyone recollect each other's ideas and they fight against that person or the British Raj, what we say. But nowadays after independence, that should be like whatever the cows, maybe political cows or the casteism and the prejudice what the person having, but still that humanity is like losing from the years we get the independence, or what you say, as we are following the years, and I fear, literally I fear in future is the humanity will exist only, because as we are growing day by day, I feel like that they are tagging more than doing that, they are speaking more than doing that, like some cloud that thunders but don't rain, that they are doing, like they just say okay, we like political, if we go for that, we will bring the light, we will bring the water. As soon as the vote comes in, they forget that no humanity exists. Humanity exists just for the votes. No, they should not be like that. Humanity should exist for the humans, for the people we don't know. We come up and help them and make their life better. That's the humanity. So I guess like people are losing that spirit these days, and that's why they are more in tagging that relations and the way they are doing for their profit purpose.
Yes, I agree with what Ashutosh spoke about humanity when he said about it is not humanity is not a thing when it is expressing when it comes to human suffer, when a human suffers, it is also comes with the when pets domestic whatever it is, because nowadays the hunting has been restricted, or it has been prohibited. So in this case, in recent times also a pregnant dog has been bitten by some girl. Within a couple of hours, social media is being a platform where it created a huge awareness, and it was also indirectly giving a message that beating a dog is illegal. It is something you cannot, you're not supposed to do. It is beyond your humanity. In that place, humanity is being destroyed. It is disappearing. So there are a lot of children's, a lot of people using social media and nowadays. So this is creating in their mind that we are not supposed to do this, we are not supposed to do that. So these things are being created, and also another thing what what he said about the politicians. Humanity is not something makeup to wear when you want and you come, you wash your face. It is something that is you is your identity, and humanity should be, it is supposed to be your identity. That's all. Thank you.
like observing about people saving or risking their lives to save another people or another animal who is suffering from something. I was like very obsessed with that video. Like when a dog is left alone with a broken leg, that person is rescuing the dog, and that dog was also infected. It seems he was like taking and rescuing the dog. Later, the dog is been set free. I was like following the channel for 1 month, but later, you know what I found? That man is doing the broken leg thing to the dog, and he was putting the person or that animal in that place, and in front of the camera he's saying that he has humanity in his soul, and he's rescuing as though he found that dog as a new thing roaming around the street. Later I found that he was doing that to make himself popular and earn money. So that time I realized that yes, even humanity exists around our circle. I felt like people started to sell their own humanity for this sake that they can earn or be popular. But I didn't feel right about it. Also, I wanted to say like I said before, we believe only if we see or hear that straight direct if a thing exists and people say that it really exists, only if we see that thing, then we will believe. But this social media became a platform that it conveys a message that happened in Mexico or California. I think like this person sang this song. This situation happened in that place, and we automatically believe that since it is like a believable information, we believe that. But later, people started to manipulate we can manipulate the humanity thing so that they can believe that this one happened too. But in back of the screen, it is really not. They are making things that our soul can't have. It doesn't come under a humanity, and they make itself a news, a fake news. So at that time, I feel like the humanity that we saw in the past is not existing like we imagined. So that what like disappointed me.
Yeah, I need to say because the world today is a place where the mind dominates over the heart. People are becoming more competitive. Everyone wants to climb and reach the pinnacle one way or another. The pedophile, greedy, and being over-ambitious, emotionless are becoming very commonplace these days. Observing all this may lead one to believe that humanity no more exists in today's world. In today's world, humanity doesn't exist because the mind dominates over the heart. People are becoming more competitive. Everyone wants to climb and reach the pinnacle one way or another. They greed, being over-ambitious, emotionless, and becoming very commonplace issues. Observing all this may lead one to believe that humanity no more exists in today's world.
So, as you said, the most lacking thing nowadays is humanity, right? So, where does humanity exist is it is inner we. So, we should learn to forgive yourself, respect yourself, and take care of yourself and recognize the things. So, automatically we have the sense to help others, and we can increase the ratio. So, in such case, humanity will transfer for the next generations and or the future. So that's all. Thank you.
Yes, I will conclude now. As Jyotish said, since nobody is going to teach us sense, because if it's hard, if it's hurt us, we're just gonna drop the vessel. And if it's gonna chill, we're gonna enjoy the moment. So everything sense is something your identity, because there'll be some people who will be like they will be bearing a lot of heat. They could bear heat. Some they cannot bear a small amount of heat. The very same thing as I said before. it is not, humanity is not something makeup you wear when you come out, and it is not something you wash it off when you don't want. It is something it determines you is your identity. It determines your identity. So humanity is something that comes from, what I say, you cannot think like, should I have to help them? You are supposed to help them. Your mind should not question you like, should I have to help them, should I have to do this? You are supposed to involuntarily you have to do that. And as this is something not like, as Ashutosh also said, politicians showing humanity when it comes to votes. Yes, of course, that is true and fact, because as soon as the election gets over, there are no humanity seeing there. There are a lot of roads, there are a lot of things has to be done, cleared, but it is not being taking place. So humanity exists and humanity is not also existing. It is also disappearing in certain lot of points. It is nothing but we are supposed to, this generation have to spread awareness as much as we can. We are able to. So as much as we are spreading awareness, everyone will be knowing, and everyone will, they will come to know how important it is, and it is a very valuable thing. How you teach your children to respect elders, to do something, to do this, to study, to become a topper in education, to become toppers, to become a perfect man. The very same way humanity carries a huge value in the society. As I already said, humanity, in the field of humanity, the competition is very less. So bringing up the children, bringing up the future generation by teaching the awareness and spreading the awareness among people in the society about humanity is must. It is something more valuable thing you are giving to your children. As the education you give, humanity also you give. And it is and also it is not something you show with your blood relationship. It is something you show when you don't know people, with the third person. So humanity matters everywhere. It won't come like blood relationship or you will be knowing the person. It's not like that. It is equally as same. When you feel like if your mother getting hurt, you will react the very same way. You have to react for someone who is getting hurt. That is what I conclude is, humanity is not something you just wear. It should come from your soul. Just make it as a habit, because when you try to express humanity, it's not gonna come automatically. When it becomes a habit, it could easily come up just like that. So try to make it as a habit. Being a good human being is not a very big task. Everyone can become like that. Everyone can be like that. Sorry. So yes, be a good human, and that is enough in this field. There will be very less competition. The value for you will be increasing. Self-care, how you see self-respect, how you motivate yourself the very same way. Be a good human, and that is enough, and that is what humanity talks. Thank you.